The Golden Circle is more of a day trip where you can either book a bus tour that costs around 110 Canadian dollars covering the major spots like Geyser, Gullfoss and Thingvellir National Park, or if you rent a car, you can explore what you want. Here's the list of all the places I visited in a single day along the Golden Circle. Hi, I'm Manoj Kumar Sundar and welcome to my channel. We did the route in counterclockwise direction and started off at Kerid crater. It's a vivid volcanic crater lake that's about 3,000 years old. Its striking red slopes contrast beautifully with the deep turquoise water, creating one of Iceland's most colorful natural wonders. You can walk along the rim or down to the lake's edge for a unique perspective. Next, we stop at graceful Faxi Falls, a wide cascade often called a smaller cousin of Gullfoss. While not as thunderous, its calm beauty makes it a hidden gem. Faxi is also a home to salmon ladder, built to help fish navigate upstream. Iceland Air gives a vomit bag that says if you feel like Gullfoss, you can use this. From calm waters, we move to power, the mighty Gullfoss, the Golden Falls. Here, glacial water plunges into two dramatic tiers into a rugged canyon, sending up mist that often glitters with rainbows in sun. Standing on the viewing platform, you can feel the ground rumble as tons of water crash down every second. Gullfoss is one of Iceland's most iconic natural wonders, embodying the raw energy of this land of ice and fire. A short drive away lies the geyser geothermal area, where Earth itself breathes. Steam hisses from vents, pools bubble with scalding heat, and then every few minutes Strokkur erupts. This geyser blasts boiling water up to 30 meters into the air, thrilling onlookers with its sudden burst of power. Though the original Great Geyser now sleeps, this area remains alive with volcanic energy. Hidden just off the main route, we find Bruarfoss, often called the Blue Waterfalls. It may not roar like Gullfoss, but its beauty lies in its dazzling turquoise water. Fed by glacial melt, the river cascades through dark volcanic rock, creating a brilliant shade of icy blue that looks almost unreal. Bruarfoss is favored among photographers and a true hidden gem of Golden Circle. For a change of pace, we stop at Thingvellir Farm. Watch the cows through glass windows as you enjoy homemade ice creams made from their milk, or savor traditional meals crafted from farm-to-table ingredients. It's a sweet, authentic taste of rural Iceland. Our final stop is at the historic heart of the country, Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Thingvellir is also a geological marvel, sitting right on the boundary of Eurasian and North American tectonic plates. Walking through its rift valley, you are literally standing between continents. We didn't have much time to explore a lot at Thingvellir National Park, but you do have a lot of things to do there if you love camping. The Golden Circle is more than just a route, It's a journey through Iceland's past and present, where volcanic forces, cascading waterfalls, and ancient history come together. I hope you had a glimpse of the attractions that I covered in my day trip along the Golden Circle. Until I see you next time, it's me, Manoj Kumar Sundar, signing off.